Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice workout bench. Now this thing is good because of the fact it is so solid. It actually holds up to 1,000 pounds, and it also comes with an instruction guide, but it was so easy to put together, guys. 4 bolts just is all it took to put this thing together. And before I get on here and kind of show you how sturdy this would be great for an apartment or some kind of a smaller space because of the fact that you can easily pull these knobs and retract these back, and it just locks into place. So if you needed to store this anywhere, I mean, fairly lightweight. It's me holding it with one hand. Store it behind a door in a closet, and then whenever you're ready to do some workouts, you just simply have to lock this back in place. It simply folds out, set it up, and you're ready to go. So that's really nice. They also include one other neat feature that I haven't seen, which is this piece here that actually allows you to adjust the feet on this. I'll flip it over so you can kind of see the bottom side here. Adjust the feet on this. So if you have it on a hard surface, it's kind of an uneven surface, you can adjust that side. So that's really cool because on carpet it's not going to matter quite as much, but to have a sturdy surface for you to work out is pretty important so that you feel stable on that. Really nice pad on this as well. So it's really comfortable. It's not going anywhere. I can get on it, jump on it. I only weigh about 190 pounds. If this thing holds 1,000 pounds, I mean, not going to have much problem there. But it's a good length too. I am 6'2", and if I'm laying on this thing, my head is all the way at the back. I've even got plenty of room I can scoot down on here. Plenty of room so that if you're doing any kind of workouts, you have that extra ability to allow your arms to go down. You can also use this to step up. You can kneel on this because it has a nice thick pad on this as well. So really good stitching on this too. It should last a long time. It'll work well in any gym or your own personal home.